after the New York Open, you see different setups and then all of them give you the same direction for trading. You shouldn't be hesitant to trade, and then you should put your trigger right away. So here's an example. So here you can draw trend lines at the bottom and then at the top, so you can see this is an open triangle. For open triangle, later on it has to break either upside or downside. So in this example, you can see it's breaking to the upside with very strong consecutive bull bars. So this is a breakout, and then what you want to do is to wait for the pullback here, 3 or 4 consecutive bear bars here, and then wait for the signal bar. This bull bar is huge. It's bigger than any of the previous bars. This is a very good signal bar. So based on this chart here, it is an open triangle upside breakout setup. So you want to trade after you see this signal bar. Let's take a look at the same chart again. If you notice, there is a previous day's low level here, and then the market is trying to break to the upside and then pulls back. So this is a previous low upside breakout. After the pullback here, you can see that even though it gets down to the previous day's low, but it reversed right away. So this is a very good signal bar. So from the previous day's low level, you can see this is also a very good setup, and then you want to trade upside after you see the signal bar. However, here is a third setup, though it is not very obvious. So you can draw a range here. You can see the market is relatively within the range, and then it tries to go down, but it reverses back to the range. However, after the open, the same thing. It breaks to the upside here with a range breakout, and then if we apply the same breakout here and pull back and the signal bar, you can see you can trade up. And then if you take the range, you can say that even the market pullback here, it didn't touch the top of the range, so this is a very strong breakout. Let's put all the 3 setups together. Even though for each of the setup you're able to trade, however, if all the 3 setups tell you the same story, that means this signal bar has a near 100% probability to give you a winning trade. So when you see this, you shouldn't be hesitant to trade upside.